Welcome back to Beautyistic, where smart beauty choices meet real-life testing. If you've ever brushed your teeth and still wondered whether you're actually getting a thorough clean, especially along the gum line, you're not alone. That uncertainty is exactly what brings us to today's review. I'll be walking you through the Oral-B Pro 1000 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush in white, a dentist-inspired electric toothbrush designed to remove significantly more plaque than a manual brush while actively protecting your gums. And before we get into it, if you enjoy honest, experience-based reviews like this, make sure you subscribe to Beautyistic and tap the bell so you never miss what's worth your time or your money. The Oral-B Pro 1000 is a rechargeable electric toothbrush that uses Oral-B's signature round brush head technology. Unlike traditional rectangular manual brushes, this round head is designed to cup each tooth individually, mimicking the motion dental professionals use during cleanings. It features 3 easy-to-use cleaning modes, including a sensitive mode, built-in gum pressure control, and a handle-integrated quadrant timer that alerts you every 30 seconds to switch brushing zones. The idea here is simple: better technique, less guesswork, and more consistent results. In daily use, this toothbrush is refreshingly straightforward. Setup is minimal, and once it's charged, it easily fits into a normal morning and night routine without any learning curve. The brush head feels compact and precise, especially around the gum line and hard-to-reach back teeth. What stands out immediately is the pulsation and oscillation movement. It feels purposeful, not aggressive. During use, the gum pressure control is noticeable. If you brush too hard, the brush automatically reduces pulsations, which is a subtle but important safeguard, especially if you're prone to overbrushing or have sensitive gums. I tested this across multiple scenarios: quick morning cleans, slower nighttime routines, and even when my gums felt a bit tender. The sensitive mode is genuinely useful, not just a marketing add-on. It still cleans effectively without that harsh buzzing sensation some electric toothbrushes have. The quadrant timer is another feature that quietly improves habits. That 30-second reminder keeps you honest about giving each section of your mouth equal attention, which is something most people don't do consistently with a manual brush. In terms of strengths, the cleaning performance is the clear highlight. Teeth feel smoother after brushing, particularly along the gum line. The round brush head design does make a difference in precision, and the pressure control adds a layer of gum protection that's easy to appreciate over time. It's also very user-friendly. No complicated app, no unnecessary settings, just effective features that actually get used. On the downside, this isn't the most customizable electric toothbrush on the market. While it supports multiple brush head types, those are purchased separately, which can add to the long-term cost. The design is also fairly basic, so if you're someone who wants smart features or app tracking, this model keeps things intentionally simple. Now, quick check-in. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. When it comes to value for money, the Oral-B Pro 1000 sits in a very reasonable sweet spot. You're paying for proven brushing technology, solid build quality, and features that directly impact oral health, not flashy extras. Considering its plaque removal capability, gum protection features, and compatibility with a variety of Oral-B brush heads, the price is justified for anyone serious about improving their daily oral care routine. Compared to manual toothbrushes or lower-end electric models, the difference in performance is noticeable, especially along the gum line. Against more advanced electric toothbrushes with apps and sensors, this model focuses less on data and more on execution. If you want effective cleaning without overcomplication, that simplicity becomes a strength rather than a limitation. Build quality is solid and dependable. The handle feels sturdy, the buttons are responsive, and the brush head attachment is secure. With proper care and regular brush head replacement, this is a toothbrush designed to last, making it a practical long-term investment rather than a short-term upgrade. As for customer support, Oral-B has a strong reputation globally for reliability and accessibility. While I didn't need to contact support directly, The brand is well known for standing behind its products and offering readily available replacement parts and accessories. So, where does this leave us? The Oral-B Pro 1000 delivers on its core promise: better plaque removal, improved gum protection, and a more consistent brushing routine. It's not designed for tech enthusiasts. It's designed for people who want cleaner teeth with less effort and better habits. If you're transitioning from a manual toothbrush or upgrading from a basic electric model, this is a smart, dependable choice that genuinely improves daily oral care. Thank you so much for watching and spending your time with me here on Beautyistic. You'll find the link to purchase this toothbrush in the comments or description box. And if you've already tried the Oral-B Pro 1000, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.